Before discussing registration and location, it's important to understand the construct and use of the two types of SIP address, the contact address and the address of record. We know the contact address is the where I am address, a routable address, the physical IP address and port of the phone, the same address given to and stored by downstream clients, so that during a call they can send back subsequent requests directly to the phone. A contact address may include a username, but it's the IP address that's most important. Now, if we know someone's contact address, we can use it to call them directly. In fact, this is what we've been doing in our peer-to-peer calls so far, dialing the IP address, the contact address. But what if IP addresses change? And what if I'd like to take my calls on a different device, or even in a different location? Because IP addresses change, and to meet the need for mobility between locations and devices, contact addresses are not typically used to initiate calls. Instead, we dial a public address of record. Now, the address of record is a who I am address rather than a where I am address. It's made of a username and a domain name, sipdave@example.com, SIP extension number at example.com. To be useful, though, addresses of record must be resolvable. Something, somewhere must resolve, must translate the non-routable address of record to a routable contact address. Now, in summary, the address of record is the who I am address. It's the address I publish to my friends, the address they will use to call me. It comprises a username and a domain name. The contact address is the where I am address, the physical IP address of my device. Whilst the contact address is directly routable, to be of any real use, the address of record must be resolved, must be translated somehow to a routable contact address. We'll discuss how in the following lessons.